In many laundry rooms, there is an opportunity to gain more storage space by using your height. We'll try, in general, to run that cabinetry about a foot away from the ceiling so you can use that top storage for things that you pull out at Christmas or Thanksgiving time where you need them and you need a place for them, but it's not too frequently used. Having a place to hang clothes in a laundry is really an important function. There's a couple of ways to do it. One is we can put a rod on there where you can simply hang them on a rod, or we have a valet rod that can come out of a section where it pops out and then you can stage clothes before you bring them upstairs or to a bedroom. If you've got a small laundry room, we do have a cool feature where a drawer literally turns into a small ironing board so you can do touch-ups without having to set the board up in another room. If you've got small kids, laundry supplies can be a worrisome thing. We usually recommend that you put those supplies above your washer and dryer, so this way it's extremely difficult to get them. Another solution though is we do have locks that we can put on the drawers or the doors, so this way you still don't have to worry about them even if the supplies are in a lower cabinet. If you've got dirty clothes in piles on your laundry floor, it's a disaster. We do have hampers that literally will fold down to you where you can store your clothes behind a hidden and concealed door. If you're lacking space for folding and working in a laundry, using a counter makes a lot of sense, but if you've got washers and dryers that are loaded from the top, you don't have the ability to put a counter in. So we've seen a lot of people that have gone with front-loaded washers and dryers, and then they'll put a counter above that to get us convenient space to fold and sort, even in a smaller laundry. Being in the laundry is not exactly anybody's favorite thing to do. We've got a new product that we just are coming out with, which is a 3-dimensional wall panel product where you put that behind there. It gives you depth and interest and a place that, while you may not look forward to coming into it, it's still going to be a lot cooler and more enjoyable for you.